Eh, syempre maghihila siya ng trailer. So, it's gonna be heavier. Heavy yung truck, heavy yung trailer. Oh, kailangan ko rin palang magpa-schedule sa DMV na pupunta kami doon on the 23rd.
Grabe, Georgia na talaga kami.
In a very simple way, naging part kami ng journey ninyo. Hey everyone! Welcome back to another episode of our Moving Diaries. If you're new here in our channel, I am Mia. I am a Filipino immigrant nurse as well as my husband Mac, and we have a toddler named Mishi. So for today's episode, guys, i-share lang po namin yung mga important things that you need to do because there are a lot of things that you really need to do that you don't want to forget before moving. So today is going to be a very busy day. Last night, I talked to Mac already and ilang araw na lang pala before yung move namin and we haven't finished everything yet. Especially for him, he's in charge of the cars. So yesterday, he already did some of it but today, he's gonna finalize everything. Nag-set siya ng deadline niya for himself that today, dapat tapos na niya lahat ng cars, lahat ng pagpapalit ng gulong, oil change. My cars is scheduled for 3 p.m. and umalis na siya. Papacheck talaga daw niya. Parang hindi siya kampante dun sa nag-check sa brake ng truck namin yesterday. Diba sa atin in the hospital, if you're in doubt, throw it out. Parang ganun. So, for safety reason, kung hindi siya talaga kampante dun sa assessment ng isang mechanic dun sa isang branch, he's gonna go to another branch and he's gonna double check kasi may nafe-feel siya sa brake namin and they keep on saying na okay daw yung brake. Eh, syempre maghihila siya ng trailer. So, it's gonna be heavier. Heavy yung truck, heavy yung trailer. What if there's a sudden emergency brake na kailangan? And syempre yung heavy load mo, ipupush ka pa niya forward. So, you really need to have a good grip of the brake. So, ipapa-double check na naman niya ngayon and then magpapa-change siya ng gulong. Sabi ko naman, baka sa gulong lang talaga kasi medyo actually, yung gulong namin is next year pa siya mag-expire. Medyo makapal pa siya. Pero may part kasi na manipis na sa gilid. So, baka kailangan gawin yun. Baka kailangan na talagang palitan para hindi pumutok yung gulong kapag nasa interstate na kami while we're traveling.
Quick kwento lang before we proceed with the vlog. We recently received a gift from a brand called Outree and we got a super nice wooden balance board na super perfect siya for kids and toddlers like Mishi. Lalo na if I'm busy as well sa move namin, it keeps Mishi super busy din and focus sa paglalaro dito sa wooden board na to. Sobrang sturdy niya. I didn't expect na maski ako or si Mac, kayang-kaya niya. Minsan, nakikipag-agawan pa kami kay Mishi kasi gusto din naming mag-balance. Naalala ko nung bata pa kami na gustong-gusto ko yung nagaganyan talaga, yung parang nagbabalance-balance ka na ganun. So, if you are new to sensory toys, very important siya sa development ng mga bata. Kasi nakakatulong siya sa pag-regulate ng kanilang emotion, pag-develop ng kanilang fine motor skills. And with this balance board, pati yung balance ni Mishi, nakakatulong din siya. And they help with the sensory processing. Yun talaga yung very important doon. Lalo na ngayon, we are more into gentle parenting. So, mas nakakatulong siya para nakaka-regulate siya ng mga emotions ng mga bata. And of course, para din ma-burn off yung mga excess na energy nila. So, kahit laro lang siya, nakakatulong talaga siya sa pag-learn ng mga bata in a very natural way. Which is, yun naman talaga yung mga gusto natin as parents. Yung hindi pinipilit na nalalearn nila yung mga bagay-bagay. Una, medyo scared pa si Mishi when it comes to balancing. Pero ngayon, wala na siyang pakialam. Ganun lang talaga siya. With this one, nag-slide siya. Dito niya pinapark sa ilalim yung mga cars niya. O kaya sa ibabaw, doon niya pinapaslide yung mga cars niya, yung mga ambulance. And then, pati mga books niya, doon niya nilalagay. Minsan, doon niya rin nilalagay yung bowl niya kapag nag-snack siya. So, sobrang dami talagang pwedeng paggamitan ng balance board. So, if you want to try this out, meron akong coupon code na binigay ng Outree. For you to use, you can get 20% off with the code JOYOFMIA. I will also put the link in the description box down below para directly na kayo na makapunta sa kanilang website. On top of that code na pwede nyong gamitin, pwede rin kayong maka-enter sa kanilang giveaway na weekly giveaway siya na free my order. So, ang gagawin nyo lang is whenever you buy a product from them, magiging entry na yun para sa giveaway na nila. Automatic, yun lang yung gagawin ninyo. And they announce the winners every week. So, kung interested kayo sa mga products nila, now is the perfect time dahil meron na kayong 20% off. Meron pa kayong chance para magkaroon ulit ng free or ma-free yung in-order nyo talaga. So, all the details will be in the description box down below for this product and sa kanilang website. Thank you so much, Outree, for this one. Proceed na po tayo sa vlog natin.
And ang in-charge naman sa akin is about the addresses. So, I need to change our bank's address. I need to order a new check. That's what I learned when we moved to Sioux Falls. Because here in Sioux Falls, sa DMV, if you're gonna pay, kapag nagpa-register ka ng car mo, nagpa-change ka ng address ng license mo, if you're gonna use your card, ay meron siyang 2.5% na patong, parang service charge for the card. We don't usually carry cash. So, it's either you pay cash para walang ganun or you give them a check. But the catch for the check is it needs to be a check na address na is dito sa Sioux Falls sana. What I'm gonna do today is mag-order ako ng new checks namin na ang address is already our Gainesville, Georgia address para makagamit kami, para hindi kami nagdadala ng cash. I really don't like bringing cash talaga. Para din natatrack ko ng mas maigi yung pera kapag cheque kasi nagre-reflect lahat yan sa bank. Actually, I have my planner here. Grabe, sulit na sulit ko tong planner ko ngayon I need to change our address na magkaroon kami ng mail forwarding from Sioux Falls to Georgia. So, even though hindi ko ma-change yung iba, like for example, yung Costco namin or yung basta mga ano-ano lang ba na kailangan ko palang i-change ng address na hindi naman gaanong ka-importante or kapag nag-mail sa amin na ibang tao, tapos wala na kami dito, the USPS will forward the mail from Sioux Falls address to Georgia for free. Not for free. Actually, USPS will only ask for $1.10 for identity verification. So, kailangan ko yun gawin para ma-forward lahat yung mails namin. Actually, from our Ida Grove address, mag-expire na siya ngayong June. So, nag-email na sila if I still want to renew that para i-forward nila ng i-forward lahat. But you know what? Hindi naman nila forward lahat. Meron nga akong check dati ng FSA ko. Nilagay nila doon. Another thing that I need to do is I need to call Georgia DMV para makuha ko yung fax number nila so that Advancial and Chase, kasi sila yung nag-finance ng cars namin, syempre nasa kanila pa yung title ng cars namin, will be able to fax the document to Georgia even before pagdating namin doon para wala na kami masyadong hassle. Kasi the last time, gusto na naming mag-register dito ng mga sasakyan namin but we still waited for the banks to fax the documents to the DMV. So, kailangan ma-fax na nila yun para pagdating namin sa Georgia at nang gusto na namin magpa-register by that time, which is sa 3rd week na lang siguro, ay ready to go. O, kailangan ko rin palang magpa-schedule sa DMV na pupunta kami doon on the 23rd. Just to make sure na baka kasi kailangan ng appointment. You know, other, kailangan ng appointment. But here, kailangan, walk-in lang sila dito sa Sioux Falls. Even in Ida Grove when we were still in Iowa. And then I need to call Chase and Advancial after for them to fax the title to Georgia. And then he also needs to call Verizon for them to give us a label for the return ng Wi-Fi router. So yeah, that's going to be the most essential part of this day. And of course, I will continue packing.
So, currently here sa Advancial website, buti na lang talaga guys, these things are just done online. This is a very good talaga na nagagawa mo na lahat online. I really recommend Advancial sa mga magsisimula dito sa US. You can get a car loan, you can have a checking and savings account, ganyan. Libre pa yung cheque nila. And dito ko lang natutunan gumamit ng cheque. Very widely used ang cheque dito, especially nung nasa Iowa kami. Grabe, alam nyo ba dun kapag wala na kaming cash na pambayad sa mga marketplace, they rather accept check than PayPal or Venmo. Lalo na kapag medyo mas matatanda na yung mga transaction mo, mas okay sa kanila ang check eh. And then you can also pay check sa grocery store, ganyan. The only catch is, kapag kulang yung fund mo sa bank, may mga institution naman na nagsasabi na, oh, for return checks, ang bayad is $30. So, ang gagawin nila, like for example, no, walang fund yung account mo. Tapos, kunyari, nagbayad ka ng $100, eh 90 lang yung pera sa bank account mo. Ang mangyayari, ang matatanggal lang doon is yung $30 na return check, tapos hindi mo pa rin nabayaran yung 100. So, yun naman yung catch. So, when you use your check, be sure na hindi yun tatalbog kasi may bayad siya. So, very easy lang naman mag-order dito. Online lang naman. And then, update the address. Tapos, yun na. I-send na nila and $0 lang ang bayad. So, I ordered for my bank account. I ordered for our joint account. Si Mac, bahala na din siya sa mga bank accounts niya na mag-ayos siguro ng mga ay, hindi naman siya gumagamit ng check. More on yung joint account naman namin yung ginagamitan namin. Pero yung Chase sana, gusto ko sana paggawan niya rin ng check. Advance help for the win pa rin talaga ako. This is not paid. I don't earn anything. I don't get any referrals from them anymore. Kasi wala na silang referral program, I believe. So, it's nice naman to check, to take my to-do list. Ayan. So, tapos ko na yung pag-order namin ng check. So, I just need to go to our Chase. Yep, I can edit it here on my phone. So, edit natin. Parang we don't get any letters naman from Chase kasi nga gamit lang talaga namin to for the car loan and wala pa naman kaming na-miss na payment. So, wala din silang sinasend sa amin na mga kung ano-anong letter. Which is good. Ang sinasend lang nila sa akin is offer ng credit card, offer ng mag-open ng bank account sa kanila, ganun. Grabe, Georgia na talaga kami. I've never imagined na lilipat ako sa Georgia. Parang wala to sa plano ko. Pero you know what? There are a lot of things na wala naman talaga sa plano natin pero nasa plano ng Panginoon. That's why, lagi ko na lang sinasabi, kung saan tayo dalhin ng Panginoon, that's it. It can take about 24 hours for us to make this change. Okay, perfect then. Okay, sabay-sabay nating aralin ulit kung paano mag-change ng address. Pumunta lang ako dito sa USPS Mail Forwarding, ayan, which is moversguide.usps.com. So, when you search for USPS Mail Forwarding, magpapakita naman ito. Meron akong informed delivery. So, everyday tong informed delivery ay ini-inform kami kung ano yung mga darating na letter. So, may picture lahat yan sa email, pinipicturean nila lahat ng darating. The same last name? Hindi. Sabihin ko na lang na individual kaya. Kasi kami same ng apelyido ni Mac kasi nga ayaw pa anuhin ng DMV. Trinay ko kasi tong family dati, guys. Dahil hindi nga kami magkaparehas ng apelyido na ni Mac nung pagdating ko ng Sioux Falls. So, madaming na-change. So, yung mga akin, naiiwan doon sa Ida Grove. Pero kapag yung amin, pag yung apelyido namin, yun ang, namumove. Can you, drop by sa Quick tapos bumili ka ng Zyrtec for me, please? Yung mga nakapacket lang, I don't need the big bottle. Sipon ako. Saan ka na?
Adatoy nag-test drive kami na may anuming test drive pa dyan lugar. Pasok ataklat na dyan rotaran na sigurado.
Magkano yung nila dun?
2 peraso, 500.
Kasi nagaro din,
Sigurado.
Wala tayong magagawa. Ganyan talaga. At para at least safe lahat. Okay. Good job. Keep,
Ang baningning ko.
andito nanonood siya ng I have to go potty. It's okay. I have to go potty. Kasi, kailangan pala namin i-change yung address nyo sa USCIS kasi, di ba nag-apply kami ng green card niya.
Thank you for calling the Georgia Department of Driver Services. What else can I help you with?
Car registration from out of state.
Georgia Department of Driver.
Wala akong makausap na tao. Long daw ang waiting time nila sa kanilang ano. So, we'll see kung meron sila mga fax number dito that we can use. Or else, if that happens, kasi ayoko na sana na pagdating namin ng Georgia is magpunta na naman kami dun sa DMV, tapos babalik while waiting na naman sa mga fax, ganun. Oh, eligibility, any vehicle which needs a new Georgia title, passive the registration. So, okay na yan. Sa ibang araw na lang natin gawin yan. So, I'm done with this. I don't need to call anybody na. Yay! I'm done with my checklist. Done na ba ako? Wala na ba akong... Oh, I need to change this cover pa pala and my Apple card. Ayun. So, that's it for this vlog, guys. I hope na-feel nyo rin yung pressure ko. Ang dami kasi talaga namin gagawin, guys. So, if I don't write it down, I will surely forget it. So, ayun. Natapos ko naman lahat. Si Mac, patapos na rin siya sa mga sasakyan namin. Kailangan na lang niyang tawagan yung kanyang Verizon. And siya din ang magpa-change. Kailangan niyang pumuntang USPS. Apparently, nung binayaran ko yung proof of identity niya, dun sa USPS, ginamit ko kasi yung card ko. Hindi siya inano kasi nga pangalan ko. So, kailangan niyang pumuntang USPS ngayon. It's just 12 noon, guys. Tapos ko na lahat. So, I'm just gonna continue packing. Napaka-productive ng day na to. Ito talaga yung maganda kapag medyo maagang nag-start ang araw. Si Mishi is already sleeping. Medyo nagmamaktol na siya kanina. I was so busy as well. Good thing na sleeping siya para at least I can do a lot of stuff while she's asleep. And I'm gonna continue packing then. So, thank you so much everyone for watching. I hope you learned something again today. And I hope this video will help someone out. Alam nyo, kahit isa lang yung natutulungan ng vlog namin. Or basta kahit may isa lang na may natutunan sa vlog namin that will make their life a little bit easier, okay na ako dun. And it feels so good to know that people are inspired by us. Ganyan, si Ibrahim Hailil. Hello, shout out sa'yo. Napaka-happy ko na sabi niya, ate, graduate na ako. Pinapanood kita since first year college daw siya. Ngayon, graduate na siya. Congratulations. It's just so happy na in a very simple way, naging part kami ng journey ninyo. I'm just so happy na may mga nangyayari naman na naidudulot na maganda tong mga vlogs namin. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell button para lagi kayong update every time that I upload a video here on this channel. And of course, kung hindi pa kayo nakapollow sa aking Instagram and on my Facebook, the name is Joy of Mia, and I'll talk to you guys on our next one. Bye!
We can do better. We can be setting go. We understand right down to the soul that we can do better. We can have a heart.